Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn how to share Instagram story to Facebook story. So if you want to share your Instagram story to Facebook story, first of all you have to open up your Instagram application. After opening your Instagram application, you have to check whether your Facebook is linked with your Instagram. So to check if your Facebook is linked with your Instagram, first of all tap on your profile icon which is on the bottom right corner. After that, tap on that three bar icon and then tap on settings and privacy. After tapping on settings and privacy, tap on account center and then tap on profiles. Here you can see if your Facebook account is linked with your Instagram. So if your Facebook account is not linked with Instagram, you can easily link your Facebook account by tapping on add accounts. After connecting your Facebook account with your Instagram, just swipe back to your home space. So after coming back to your home space, tap on your stories. After tapping on your stories, choose a story which you would like to post on your Instagram. So after choosing a story, tap on your stories which is on the bottom left with a small Facebook icon in it. After tapping that, you have successfully shared your Instagram story to your Facebook story. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.